Hi guys, welcome to another video of Learn Kokni, and as you know, we are doing the Varnamala 6 of the Devanagari script series, right? So today we will be seeing Varnamalas of Y, R, L, V and Sh. Okay, so let's start with Y first. Y, the first Y which has the natural sound to it, right? Y. Then you have Ya, which has the sound in it. Y and gives Ya. Okay? Yeah, we say, right? Yeah. What are you doing? I mean, if someone asks me, are you shooting a video? I'll say, yeah. So that yeah is this one. Okay? The spelling in Devanagari script would be this. Then ye. Okay? Small ye. Small e. Ye. Ye. Okay? This is your, right? So ye. You. Okay? You. You. So when I say you, Y-O-U in English, that is this. Because you don't say you say you, right? You. So that is this you, the bigger U. Yay. Now we say, right? Are you happy? I say, yay, I'm happy, right? So that yay is this one. In English, we write Y-A-Y. You don't have a specific spelling for it, right? Yay. So that is yay. Because y and a gives you yay. Y and I gives you yay, right? Y and O gives you yo, okay, that one yo, and y and ow. This is not you, this is ow. So y and ow will give you yo, right? Y and will give you yum, and y and aha will give you yah. So the next alphabet is R, and you have some minor changes here. Okay, I'll show you how. R again is R, Ra, R and A, Ra, R and E, Re, R and E, Re. Okay, R and U, Ru. But the way you write is usually we add it here, isn't it? But this time in R, what we do is we add it here. Okay, in the center here. Fine. This is smaller one. If you want to make it the bigger U, you have to stretch the line like this. So that will give you room. Okay, room. So room. Ray. Okay, R and A, Ray. R-A-Y, Ray. R and I, Rai. Okay, it is not Rai, it is Rai. R and O, Ro. Okay. You can also say row, the rowing one, right? R-O-W. R and O, Row. R and Rum. Okay. Rum, it's not Ram, it is Rum. We can pronounce it like R-U-M, Rum. Okay, different. And R and Aha is Raha. So the next alphabet is L, long, right? L. So L, normal L and A will give me La. Okay, La. L and small e will give me Li. Okay, L and big E will give me Lee. So I want to say Bruce Lee, right? That Lee will be this one, the bigger one, correct? L and small o will give me Lu, and L and big U will give me Lu. One more thing that I forgot to tell you is sometimes L is also written like this. Okay, my handwriting is like this, that is the reason why I write it like that. Even this is correct, this is not wrong, but some prefer writing it like this, giving two circles, semicircles like, and I prefer writing like this. Okay, both are the same. So, lay, L and A will give me lay, L and I will give me lie, L and O will give me low, right? L and O will give me low, L and will give me lum, and L and aha will give me laha. So the next alphabet is V. Okay, V. V, you could say. So V, V and A will give you va, right? V and small e will give you V. V and big E will give you V. V and small u will give you woo. And V and big U will give you woo. Okay? W-O, woo. Okay? So that spelling is this one. Woo. V and oo. Then you have way. Okay? V, W-A-Y, way. So V and A, way. V and I, Y. Okay? Y. V and O, wo. W-O-H, wo, right? So that is this wo. wo and au, wow. Okay, wow. Wo and wum. Wo and aha, waha. And the last alphabet of the day is sh, schedule, right? So sh is the normal sh. Sha, you can see Sha. Shaolin, you may be knowing Shaolin. So the first alphabet comes is Sha, SHA, right? So that is this Sha. Okay, Sha, she, SHI, she, she, she. The SHE in English is this one. She. You don't say she, right? You say she. So that is this one. She. Shoo. When you want to tell someone to be quiet, shoo. Be quiet, right? So that one is this. Shoo. Shoo. Okay, you don't say shoo, right? You say shoo. You yourself want to be calm and quiet that time, right? So you don't say shoo, you say shoo. Be quiet, right? So that is this one. Shoo. Shay. Okay. Show and a shay. Show and I shy. So again, shay, I just remember the word shade, right? Shay. See, in English, you cannot 100% translate each and every alphabet because you have sounds here, correct? But what you can do is you can just look at the word and you can understand which sounds are added to it. For that, you need to know the alphabets. That's very obvious. But the thing is, once you know the alphabet, you have alphabet known as Shou. Okay, even though the spelling is SHADE, you need not know Shay. You can shade, right? Shay, Shou and A, Shay, and D, right? Only D, the alphabet D, right? So you can easily manage to write English in the Devanagari script. I mean Latin script. That is the script in which English is written to Devanagari script, right? You just need to know the alphabets and the sounds which we have. So once you know how they are attached and all, which I'm teaching you now, you can easily form your words. And this is the sixth session. So seventh and eighth. So next, after in the next 15 days, the next third video from now, we will be doing the small words where you will come to know how easy it is. Okay, how easy, you just need to recognize the main alphabet and the sound. Shy, sh and I, shy. Sh and o, show. SHOW, show. So that is this, show. Because even though I have written it here SHO, you don't have anything as W, right? The sound itself has OW sound in it. So show. Show. Show and O, show. Show and shum, and show and aha, shaha. So we are done with the video and hope you like this, guys, because from the earlier videos I wasn't telling you which words can be formed from these alphabets and sounds, right? Small ones, and this and the last video I suppose I started telling you guys. So if you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment below so that I feel more confident while teaching you, at least that at least someone is benefiting out of it, right? So thank you for watching the video and bye bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.